friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making sardine toast. This is such an easy recipe and it makes a great instant lunch. So easy and so delicious. All we need is bread and canned sardines. So you can use any type of bread. This is also great with whole wheat bread, or you can use white. I'm using white right now. You can also use sourdough. All of them taste amazing, especially toasted. So all I need to do is toast the bread, and then we're going to add sardines. So now the bread is toasted, and I'm going to add sardines. So super simple. Here are sardines and oil. So I'm just going to add a layer of sardines on top of the bread. Perfect. So that was super easy. And sardines come in oil, so you're welcome to drizzle a little bit of oil on top. And another great addition would be some freshly squeezed lemon. You can squeeze it on top. You can also sprinkle it with some chopped parsley or sliced green onions, so you can be creative. But I'm just sticking here to the basics, bread and sardines. Super simple and so filling and so delicious. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love sardines on toast. Tastes amazing. Crunchy bread with smoky sardines. It's so full of flavor and it's a perfect combination. So simple yet so delicious. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!